You just received the website designs and you saw one particular section where logos are scrolling or text scrolling, and client mentioned update the speed to speed, move it to left, move it to right, and Webflow interactions. So we face a similar issue in our agency. We at StakesIF felt a library for making it easier and integrate any particular moving logo or marquee in just 2 steps. Step one, copy the script, go to the body tag and paste the you copy. Step two, go to the logo section where you want the marquee to integrate. There's a parent which contains all the children which I want to be converted to a marquee. So I'll click on that particular element, copy the data attribute from the documentation, SS marquee, and add it to the custom attributes in the settings panel. Once added, this is one just required step for you to convert it to marquee. So once done, you can just publish it, and on the live website, you should be able to see default marquee loading. There are a couple more options where you can customize the speed, the direction of it. Let's say you wanted it to pause on hover. So there are data attributes what you can copy paste. So for example, let's say if I want the speed to go at a certain milliseconds, I can just copy this data attribute, go to the element and add it to the same element. So SS marquee speed and specific number in a millisecond. And similar way, you can update it the direction, etc. You can follow the documentation. Uh, there are also examples attached at the bottom. So just simple marquee, speed updated 200. Uh, if you want the marquee to pause on hover, direction to right. Let's say if you just want the marquee to play whenever it is visible, then you can just set the data attribute to SS marquee pause visible and set it to true. So you can just, in pretty simple steps, you can follow the documentation and integrate it. Comment down if you face any particular issue or want something which is not present in this particular documentation. We should integrate it in the future. Thank you.